What's up, guys? This is DJ underscore Young underscore Louis, and welcome back to another one of my videos. Like, yes, it's finally like the fourth video that I made. Now, if you don't like not subscribing, like, like, come on. If you haven't followed me yet, like YouTube and my Instagram links, like social media, will be down in the description below. So yeah, and like I'm gonna be unboxing. Look what I got on Amazon. Last time I didn't really like do like an Amazon unboxing video, so this is the first Amazon unboxing video that I'm going to do. So you see, I got this in the box, like it came in the mail. Got my trusty knife here. Shrink. I know, I know. And let's see what we got. We got some. I know, guys. I know. If you've been watching Lamar, like on some of his videos, he likes popping things. Like he like popping bubble wrap and when he open up Amazon boxes and these air bubbles. So I know. So that's done. First, we got two smart lights. So, which one, guys? Which one? The big one? Okay. Again. Oh, this is the TP link. Now this is Casa Smart Light Bulb Multicolor by TP Link, and it works with the Google Assistant. And works with um Alexa. Or I don't want to do like trigger your echoes or a AELXA. I mean ALEXA. Sorry, I don't want to trigger your Amazon echoes at this moment. So let's open this up. Now trying to go activate beast mode. If I have to, I don't want to mess up this beautiful presentation. Like, come on, looks so colorful. So I gotta like be nice. Like I want to enjoy this presentation. If I activate beast mode, yeah, let's activate beast mode. Come on. Yes. Okay, cameras. Okay. Inside the box, you can put that away. Inside we get our quick start guide. We got the light bulb itself. Let's put it to the side like the other professional unboxers. Like we put things to the side. The main part to get in the contents. Oh, that's it. So you get this and the light. Let's open this up. Like it's plastic. Pretty nice. Carbon fiber. This is go your light fixtures. And it's plastic. So plastic and metal, so you can, and very heavy weight. So that's that. The second one is this box. This is the Wi-Fi bulb, 4.1 watt smartphone control light bulb. So yeah, all the specs, Wi-Fi enabled, sunset, sunrise, sunset, dimmable via app, 100. So yeah, all the specs, clear everything from the website, compatible with Amazon Alexa, and compatible with the Google Assistant. And fun thing, on the video that I watched on this, it also not only is compatible with the Google Assistant and Amazon Alexa, it also compatible with Microsoft assistant called Cortana. So let's open it up. So that's it. So this is the box. I like this one better because it's heavyweight and this is light and just wow. Wow, and this is just this regular white light bulb for with smart in it. The whole thing plastic, but this is plastic metal like that. So that's my unboxing of the smart light bulbs. Please comment and I will leave the links for these in the description box below. Okay, this is Louis signing off. Bye.